In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always sign out of your Gmail account after closing your Google Chrome browser. This is a great habit to keep your account secure, especially if you share your device with others or use public computers. Now let's dive in and make sure your data stays safe every time you finish your online session. First, open your Google Chrome browser. If you're already on a web page or a new tab, that's perfect. The next step is to navigate to the top right corner of the browser window. Here you'll see three vertical dots, also known as the More menu or sometimes the hamburger menu. Click this icon and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, select Settings. This is where we can make adjustments to how Chrome handles your data, including your sign-in preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left-hand side and find the option labelled Privacy and Security. Click on that and it will direct you to a new set of options that control the interaction between Chrome and your private data. Scroll until you see Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option. A new window or panel will pop up, offering you several choices on what data you want to clear. Here's an important detail. Make sure the time range is set to all time. This ensures that all browsing data, not just the recent activity, is selected for deletion. This setting will help you remain logged out of Gmail every time you close Chrome, safeguarding your account from any unwanted access. Now, within the same window you should see options to select the type of data you wish to delete, such as browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Ensure that cookies and other site data are selected because these directly influence your sign-in status. Once you have confirmed your selections, find the button labelled Clear Data or Delete Data and click it. This might take a few moments depending on the amount of data accumulated. By following these steps, every time you close your Chrome browser, it will no longer retain information that keeps you signed into Gmail, automatically logging you out each session. That's it, simple and effective. This practice not only helps to keep your Gmail account more secure, but also your overall online presence. If you're on public or shared computers, this will add an essential layer of security. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide practical and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.